Hey guys, Laurent from Fibro Pools. Have you been looking for the perfect do-it-yourself pool project? Fibro Pools has been making the easiest, strongest pool to install since 1959. Thanks to our plug-and-play concept, the pools can be installed in your backyard in just one day. Our shells are pre-plumbed and pre-assembled from factory, reducing tremendously the installation time. On top of that, we have some of the strongest shell on the market. The pools are reinforced with vertical and lateral ribs all around it, allowing you to backfill the pool with no water inside. And with our pre-assembled filtration system, the installation just really becomes a breeze. The pools can be delivered to your backyard in just under 30 days. Contact us at the information below to get a quote for your next Fibro Pools and get started with your next do-it-yourself pool project.